Is your CapCut app stuck on the logo when opening up your iPhone? This usually happens due to software glitches, corrupted app data, or an incomplete installation. In this video, I'll show you how to solve CapCut logo stuck issue. So let's get started. Before we start, make sure you have a strong internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. Force quit the CapCut app from recent task and open the app again. If you're still having the same issue, then try the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 2. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete App again. If it didn't work, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Go to home screen, tap and hold the CapCut icon. Now tap Remove App. Then tap Delete. Again tap Delete to confirm deletion. Now go to the App Store and install this app again. Solution 4. Check your software update. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see any software updates available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Hope your logo stuck issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.